light on.
It's intense.
It is raining.
Yeah.
It's lightning.
You know, this is our little, you know, we're gonna die video. Dropped. Do you think it's gonna strike us through this?
Yeah.
No, that's not gonna happen. But I can't really see it. What? You think you were gonna strike us on that?
No.
Emma? Okay, we got a cool lantern which turns on. Oh.
Oh, we're surrounded by water and, you know. Yeah, am I good?
Yeah. I hope it's not too bad. See, it is proper. Let's stay down, but we're okay. If you want to turn the light back on, you hit the little button. You know, it's your phone. But I think it's better without. It's kind of funny though because I think maybe Judge there or someone was like,